Ano nga ba ang Pacific Ring of Fire at bakit tinatawag ito the ticking time bomb? And yep guys, we are the middle of it. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a massive zone. Ito. And it's shaped like a horseshoe. Ito yung mismo yung map guys sa Pacific Ring of Fire. Para siyang horseshoe na pinapalibutan ng Pacific Ocean. Dito nagaganap yung mga malalakas na lindol at volcanic eruptions sa buong mundo. Why? Kasi nandito yung mga tectonic plates na nagbabanggaan sa ilalim ng lupa. And guess what? The Philippines sit right on the top of two major plates. Una, the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. Kaya naman pag nag-move or nag-collide yan, ayun na, lindol, volcanic eruptions, or worst, tsunami. And that's the reason why guys, sunod-sunod yung paglindol dito sa Pilipinas from the end of September to first week of October. Ayan. It's not actually the end times, that's the reality. Ganyan talaga pag nasa Pacific Ring of Fire ka. We are literally living in a very unstable spots on Earth. Sad reality yan. Pero instead of panic, dapat prepared tayo palagi. Huwag puro bahala na, know the signs. Have your go bag at palaging may escape plan. Kasi the next big one, hindi ang tanong natin is kung mangyayari, dapat ang tanong natin is kailan. So next time someone says, bakit palagi tayong nililindol? Just remember, we live in the Pacific Ring of Fire. It's not just a name, it's a warning.